That's so funny. That's how everyone is feeling right now, guys, because of the Bitcoin ETFs and also all of the speculative ETFs that are going to be coming. So guys, this is what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be getting into this video. But first, I want you to hit the like button. I want you to hit the subscribe button, and I want you to ding the bell to be notified when I make these new videos. And we're going to get into what everyone is not talking about. Everyone is talking about the Bitcoin ETF, but we are going to get into why I think Ethereum is going to be super bullish in 2024. Everyone's been talking about what's going to kill Ethereum. What's going to kill Ethereum? Maybe nothing is going to kill Ethereum. Maybe Ethereum will actually make a comeback, and we are going to have institutions finally get into a DeFi type ETF that is going to be backed with Ethereum. And we have people like JP Morgan and Mike Novogratz, Galaxy Digital. We got 21 Shares, BlackRock. We got all of these different institutions that are going to be getting into Bitcoin ETF products, but they are also getting ready to blast off with Ethereum. So guys, let's get into this video, and we are just going to get right into it. Stick around. It's going to be super alpha. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming to Dano Crypto. So you see here, Borovic is saying the crypto floodgates are about to open. Once the spot Bitcoin ETFs are approved, trillions of dollars will be able to flow into Bitcoin and also into Ethereum. So we want to look at what is happening with the SEC delays on several Ethereum ETFs, pushing final decisions to May. So what this is the United States Securities Exchange Commission is pushing back its decision on several Ethereum exchange-traded funds to May 2024. But I do believe that we are going to be able to front-run the push for the Ethereum ETFs, because we're going to see this approval for Bitcoin ETF coming within literally maybe within hours, maybe within the next couple days. We're going to see this Bitcoin ETF approved, and I think the eyes are all on Bitcoin. So what it's going to do, it's going to free up some of the best buying opportunities that you can possibly have with Ethereum. And I will show you, I went long on Ethereum. I actually went long on Ethereum, and we'll show you at the end of the video. We'll show you what coins at the very end of the video, what altcoins that I went long on this dip to be able to catch this opportunity of the Bitcoin news, because we could see altcoins fly. You see what happens when Bitcoin even dips, but when Bitcoin goes and it starts running, those altcoins will be pushing up with it. So let's see what happens. So we have these deadlines for these ETFs for the Ethereum ETF. And so what it's going to do is give us an opportunity to get into an Ethereum speculative trade leading up to May 2024. So that's what we've been doing with Bitcoin for this news that is happening right now. It's that buy the rumor, sell the news. But in this case, I think we're in a paradigm shift. We're going to be shifting into a different paradigm. Even JP Morgan says ETF optimism is possibly overhyped, and Ethereum could overshadow Bitcoin in 2024. So this is JP Morgan. So while many investors have rejoiced at Bitcoin's recent price upswings, others are betting that crypto's second fiddle, Ether, will actually be the big winner of 2024, because everyone's been fading Ethereum. You listen to Ivan on Tech, and he says, look, everyone's been fading Ethereum, saying, what's going to kill ETH? What's going to kill ETH? Maybe nothing is going to kill ETH, and ETH will actually stand the test of time. It was always that the rumor was Ethereum is going to flip Bitcoin. What if, just what if, that there is a possibility that Ethereum gets an injection of liquidity because of the DeFi, because of all the different things that has to do with the Ethereum ecosystem? What if the Ethereum gas fees actually go down a little bit? It starts to actually get mainstream adoption. Could see a flippening. Could be very interesting. So with loud voices on crypto, Twitter have predicted that start of another bull run with Bitcoin's recent resurgence. JP Morgan analyst just wrote in a new report that the coin is a little overbought. So, and then it was overbought. We saw that dip. We saw that retracement on Bitcoin where we saw that massive candle go straight down, but we saw that liquidity go right back in. We got right back onto the trend line. So that's what's showing strength in the price for Bitcoin. So now let's look at the best Ethereum ETFs to watch in 2024. We got the list here, and we have these players, Grayscale, wanting to turn their trust into an ETF, or their fund into an ETF. XBT, we have Galaxy Digital, we have 21 shares, and then we have Purpose Investments. So it's going to be super bullish, guys, for Ethereum and the speculative price change and liquidity injection into Ethereum. And this is the thing, guys. No one is talking about what will happen to Ethereum if we get an actual spot Bitcoin approval, because what that's going to do, it's going to immediately give the assumption that an Ethereum ETF is right around the corner and people are going to start buying Ethereum. So this is why we are going into long on Ethereum. We're super bullish, I think, on Ethereum. We've always been bullish on Ethereum, but I think now we're getting really bullish because this is what I had to wrap my head around. I had to think, okay, look, everyone's talking about the Ethereum killers and people are fading Ethereum. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stick to my instinct and think, man, okay, we are going somewhere with Ethereum. So guys, I'm going to show you my trade. So check out this Ethereum trade and the altcoins that you want to see that I'm in this trade right now. Okay, guys, now as you can see, everything under the sun in crypto looks exactly like this chart. When we saw Bitcoin just take a massive dump, that's what everything just went shoom. We had a massive move. Everything just went bam and just took a massive hit. That was pretty much everything in the market just took a nice 10% to 15% dump. But that's why, if you were to be able to catch these right here, these points right here, but we didn't catch it that low, but we did catch it right here on this right below the point of control here. So guys, this is what we're looking at here for Ethereum for the immediate short term. We have a really nice pattern here. We got a nice uptrend pattern from before the dump. We had a nice little swoop here. We had a nice little swoop here. We had a little bit of a handle that was forming. Could have been some bullish movements, but then we had Bitcoin and everything just spiked down. So this is why I feel like we are going to be cranking back up into these levels, trying to test these levels again. And then once we actually get the Bitcoin ETF approval, we will start seeing going back into some of our recent highs, going into $3,000 and 3,600, if we can mark the levels right here. And that's where we had some resistance right there. And we are actually currently sitting at support right here. So guys, this is why I think we could be in the short term going into the levels of the $3,000 ranges, and it's looking pretty juicy, guys. It's looking pretty juicy. Really liking how Ethereum is looking right now. And if we get back into all the other altcoins that we want to get into, we are actually pretty bullish on Ordinals, Ordi token, and STG, Stargate Finance. We went long on these altcoins along with Ethereum, and we are in long trades on BTC. And this is what we are trying to do. We're trying to build up this account. We're trying to build up before we have this bullish news, and hopefully we can see some massive gains. And guys, I hope you are seeing massive gains along with me. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you ding the bell, hit the like button, smash up the like button. It's the YouTube currency, guys. I mean, this is what you have to do. It is the love payment from you guys to show me that you are enjoying this content and you like what you see. But I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and it helps this channel grow. So do some house cleaning, and smash up that like. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Шоколадку купила, гадіна. З'їла сама шоколадку. А я що робить? А що, мені дивиться, як вона їсть шоколад, я теж може хочу шоколад, блін. Задумала, блін, мені дуже шоколад.